Friends, today we will discuss about TGC knob and gain knob. As I have told, the position of each knob is not specific on control panel. You have to find out where is your knob present on ultrasound machine. Now come to TGC knob. TGC knob, otherwise called as a time gain compensation knob. It is a sliding knob. It means it come into function by sliding this knob towards the right side or sliding this knob towards the left side. When it come into function, that is when the knob sliding towards the right side or towards the left side, it causes increased brightness or decreased brightness of a specific area. Not whole part will be affected, only specific part will be affected. Generally there are 10 to 12 TGC knobs are present on control panel. It is divided into upper TGC knobs, middle TGC knob and lower TGC knob. When you slide upper TGC knob towards the right side or towards the left side, it causes increased brightness or decreased brightness of upper part of the image. When you slide middle part of the TGC knob, it causes increased brightness or decreased brightness of middle part of the image. When you slide lower TGC knob towards the right side or towards the left side, it causes increased brightness or decreased brightness of lower part of the image. That is, it is a sliding knob. It causes increased gain of a specific area, that is increased brightness or decreased brightness of a specific area. Not whole image will be affected. Now come to gain knob. Gain knob, otherwise called as a overall gain knob. It is a rotating knob. That is, it come into function by rotating the knob towards the right side or rotating the knob towards the left side. On rotating the knob towards the right side or towards the left side, it causes increased brightness or decreased brightness of whole the screen. Whole the image will be affected, not specific part of the image will be affected. That is increased brightness of decreased brightness of whole the screen. But in case of TGC, when TGC knob come into function, it causes increased brightness and decreased brightness of a specific area. Thank you.